everybody, Bekka here. You know, I talk a lot about herbalism, and from time to time I get somebody that talks about herbs are boring looking in the garden or don't make a pretty garden. So today I am at the Aphatchalia Visitor Center and found a interesting looking garden that most of the stuff in here are beneficial herbs, so I wanted to show you around. So let's get started. So here we go. I'm starting at one end and just working my way around. This right here is a sage, and I think with these flowers, this is the hot lip sage. If I can get it to focus. There we go. So that's a pretty garden plant. And then behind it, this is an amaryllis, which most people don't realize that this is a viable herb as well. This has some antiviral properties, and I think some others. I would have to look it up. But I'll leave a link in the description on some interesting facts about the amaryllis. Right here we have another sage, though it's green at the moment. Let's see as we go through if we can find one that is blooming. Some more amaryllis. And mind you, we are in early spring. We are at the end of March. So not everything is blooming here. And then not everything in this bed is a usable herb, though it does have some beauty. These plants right here, these are a grass, and I know them as a monkey grass, but that's just a common name. I'll think of the name of them in just a minute, or I'll put the name in the video as we go. This right here is a plant that grows along roadsides and in wild areas as well. This is the blue days, and this is edible. Some more sage, and then we have sorrel right here, which can be put in your spring salads. And of course we have more amaryllis coming around the corner. Yeah, this is pineapple sage, just what I thought. And I'll put a picture in what it looks like as it grows throughout the summer. And right here is Mexican petunia, though it's not growing. It puts on a purple, or it's not blooming. It puts on a purple flower during the summer months. So as you can see, this garden is made for the butterflies, but it is a viable garden for using as medical or just healthy herbs. So there you go. You have a viable herbal garden that will be different throughout the seasons and pretty all year long. And that is just another way of using herbs every day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And check out the description section for other resources. I will talk to you soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Bye.